Hey guys, it's Mike.
And Holly.
Unbox me.
We're going to take directions from a box.
So this is something from DreamWorks Dragons.
I like me some dragons.
Oh, it's Playmobil.
No.
Who is that? I forgot the name.
Toothless.
Let's look this over here.
Oh.
This must be new. So Playmobil has come out with Dragons sets.
No way.
Oh, that's cool.
Oh, these are all too cool.
There you go.
Playmobil How to Train Your Dragon line. Oh, I'm geeking out. I love How to Train Your Dragon.
Okay, well, I guess this one's yours. I got my Ghostbusters one. So.
This is totally mine. I love the movie. I love Toothless. Oh, this is exciting. And there's other sets to check out. This could be dangerous because I'm going to
Oh, the ship's cool.
There is the island of Burke. There's Drago's ship. There's Gobber and Catapult. Oh, the catapult's cool. We have Hiccup and Toothless. Astrid and Stormfly. Drago and Thunderclaw. And Eric with 4-shot fire ballista. Oh, these are all so cool. I'll show you a little bit close up there.
Oh, it lights up.
No way.
I wonder if it makes sense. Looks well. It's just one button, so I bet it just lights up.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, so
oh,
I got some pieces to put together.
Look at the size.
So we'll go ahead and do that, and then show you the finished dragon.
Okay, so we have Toothless put together. I really like the wings on Toothless because they have a lot of movement to them. Really nice. Like, usually Michael puts together these sets, and I was so excited that I just started doing it myself because I was like, I can't wait. So there you have Toothless's tail that was made for him by Hiccup. You have this little saddle section where Hiccup can ride on Toothless. And then you have this blue illuminated section that has a button here, which we have not pressed yet.
I pushed it.
You did?
Yep.
Oh, okay. So, and here's a battery for that. So this just pops out. There we have, thank you, Michael, Hiccup riding Toothless. And Hiccup has a fire sword, which is really cool, as one of his accessories. And then another thing that's cool about him is he has 2 different hair pieces. So here's a better look at...
Lights.
Oh, okay.
So it's a very bright blue. It doesn't quite look that on camera.
It's for night fighting.
And that's all it does. It's just turn on, turns off.
That's really pretty. So here's a better look at Hiccup. And he's got the, kind of armor on him to protect him. And he has another hairpiece because he has a helmet. So, I'll let you do that. I can't get the hair off.
I had a hard time trying to get the hair off.
Kind of like a straight, smooth hairpiece because the other one is like really tousled. And then you have this really cool helmet, which also has like the dragon spikes on top. That is so awesome. And the other cool thing about Toothless is, I didn't show Toothless's legs move. Really cool. The other thing, which we haven't tried yet.
It's loaded.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Oh, you didn't tell me that. We've got these blue flame darts. The tips of them are like squishy.
Well, not real squishy,
Not really
though.
squishy, but
They're rubber.
I guess more like a rubbery. So what do I even shoot? No, wait. How do I do it? Do I have to tilt his head back?
Open his mouth.
What? Oh, that was nothing. You're fine. I thought maybe you push down on the saddle, but you don't. Okay, so in goes the dart. Clicks into place. Right?
Yep.
Yes!
And you do get 3 darts.
So awesome. I love this. I love Toothless and Hiccup.
And then there's his little flying, I don't know what it even is.
I guess it's kind of like a cape shield. Like, what are those guys called that like cliff dive?
No, that's jumping from into the water.
What is that called? I can't think of the
squirrel suit? Flying squirrel suit?
Sure.
I think that's
not
maybe
the word
what it's called.
That's not the word I was looking for. But, oh, look, that's staying. I wonder how long that stays on for.
I think it's just on off.
Oh, is it?
I don't know.
Turn it off? Oh, yeah. Oh, neat. Oh, so this is really cool. I like the size of this Toothless because it's like...
It's a good plain size.
Yeah, it's a good play size. It's not overly huge, but it's not like so small either.
There's just a look at some of the pictures. It'd be easier if you go to Playmobil's website.
And check it out. I do like how you had the wings like that too. Really cool. There's a good look at his face.
Can't do it that way. Gotta do it that way.
What? Now they look like
now he's ticked.
antlers.
He's ready to fight.
No, he's nice.
Well, they do look like antlers.
Well, when you turn them up like that, they do. Really awesome. I love that you've got the action with the shooting darts. That's always fun. And I love just like all the little details. All the scales on his head are really amazing. The bright green eyes just feels really cool. I love this. And then Hiccup is ready to battle and fly. Here we go.
And then you can open his mouth without having to have darts in it.
What? Are you like worried about the darts?
Yeah.
He's got... What? I was like, what is
I know there's 3 here,
like,
so it's not loaded.
Problem? I'm not worried about it, honestly. I don't think it hurts that bad. Whole mouthful of teeth, too. Oh, this is so cool. I love this. I want to get all the other sets now.
The pirate ship is cool.
I want to play
that
dragons.
Is definitely cool.
I want to play dragons with all of them.
Well, now you can.
Okay.
So, thanks for watching, guys.
Be sure to comment, rate, and subscribe.
She shot me. Bye.